My name's Dan Ryder, and I work at Mount Blue High School in Farmington, Maine. Well, creative problem solving to me is about discovering solutions that are actually going to work to solve the problem at hand. It's not being creative in terms of being artistic, it's creative in terms of thinking of the thing that hasn't been thought of yet. It's not for me assessing whether or not they are doing the mindsets correctly. It's about whether or not they're getting to the thinking they need to get to and helping them uncover where along the way things went wrong. I found it incredibly liberating when I adopted that design thinking mindset to all of my classes and not just using it as an add-on.